I'm Sean Caldwell with Confidential On-Site Paper Shredding. We're here today to talk about our new service that we have available for clientele throughout Central Illinois, which is our on-site hard drive destruction. We are NAID, which is the National Association for Information Destruction, certified, security certified for this process to destroy hard drives on-site. We continue to have requests for electronic destruction as we've been in the paper destruction business for 4 or 5 years now. So we wanted to make sure we continue to have answers for our clientele when it comes to things like additional services, including electronics destruction and now hard drive destruction as well. Essentially, we designed our own machine that creates catastrophic damage to a hard drive, punches out the center core of the hard drive and creates catastrophic damage to the platters, so the hard drive platters cannot be put in another machine or used ever again to retrieve information. It's a simple piston design where a piston will come down and actually punch through the center of a hard drive, knocking out the core of the hard drive. And as you can see from some of the photography that we've got on the footage that we've got on the hard drive destroyer, it is actually mounted inside of one of our on-site paper destruction machines, one of our trucks. We now have a fleet of 4 document shredding trucks. Confidential On-Site Paper Shredding is a division of Midwest Fiber. So we have 3 recycle plants, one in Decatur, one in Normal, and one in Chillicothe, where once we shred these materials, they go back to our plant. What happens is the papers go into these 95-gallon bins. The truck is fully automated. It's a no-touch system. Once the paper's into the bin, that bin is wheeled up to the truck. The truck will then clamp on and grab that container. It lifts it up through a chute, essentially travels up a candy cane. Once it gets to the top of the arc, it'll dump the materials out of the bin and into a hopper, which underneath there are blades and teeth that pull that material into the shredder. The material is then augured back into the back holding capacity of the truck. The truck holds about 10,000 pounds of paper. We have 4 of these trucks, like I said. Each one of them comes back relatively full every day. In the last year, in 2007, we shredded 3.5 million pounds of paper. In 2008, we shredded close to 5 million pounds, of paper. Once the material is shredded, it comes back to one of our own plants where it's then offloaded at a Midwest Fiber plant. That material is then baled and sent off to paper mills. The typical turnaround time from us shredding at a customer's doorstep to where that material is pulped at a paper mill and turned back into paper is somewhere in the 72-hour range.